Okay students, now today we will discuss a very important theorem for triangle that is called midpoint theorem, and in class 9 NCERT book it is given in chapter 8, that is quadrilateral. So let us discuss this theorem and its proof. What is the statement of this theorem? The line segments joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel and half of the third side. What is the meaning of this sentence? Let us draw a triangle and see its meaning and proof. Okay, so first of all let us draw a triangle. So ABC is a triangle as we see here, and the points E and F are the midpoints of the side AB and AC respectively. And what we have to show? We have to show कि EF parallel to BC. We have to show EF parallel to BC and EF equal to half of BC. This we have to show. For proving this, we make a construction. The construction is very simple. What is the construction? Draw a line parallel to AB and passing through the point C, and produce EF to a point D such that the previous line intersected by this line segment, and suppose that point is D. Okay, so let us draw a line parallel to AB. So in construction part, we draw a line passing through C and parallel to AB and produce this line segment EF to a point D such that it intersects the previous line at a point D. So produce it. Suppose this is point D. So in construction part, what we construct? We construct AB parallel to DC, you can say, and this also implies that कि BE parallel to CD. BE parallel to CD. This and one thing other, कि if AB parallel to CD, then this will be a transversal. ED is a transversal, and this angle angle AEF is equal to angle CDF, first part, and again AC is also a transversal, so this angle is equal to this angle. That means angle EAF is equal to angle DCF, Okay, now in proof part, कैसे इसको प्रूफ करते हैं हम लोग? In proof, let us see in triangle AEF and triangle CDF. Then consider this triangle and this triangle. Angle EAF is equal to what we already given here, angle DCF by construction. ये कंस्ट्रक्शन से हो गया, और AF इक्वल टू CF AF is equal to CF. Why? Because it is given that F is the midpoint of AC, so AF equal to CF. तो यहाँ पर हम लिख सकते हैं given and this angle is equal to this angle. क्यों इक्वल होगा? इसको हम क्या लिखेंगे? एंगल AFE इक्वल टू, हमने लिखा AFE इक्वल टू CFD, एंगल CFD. ओके. वाई? बिकॉज दीज आर वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल. नाउ वी कैन राइट कि ट्रायंगल AEF, so triangle AEF is equal to congruent to triangle CDF by which rule? By angle side angle rule, by ASA criteria. Now in quadrilateral BECD, now in quadrilateral BECD, now let us see in quadrilateral BCDE. If we see by here, this is congruent, प्रूफ हम कर चुके हैं. तो यहाँ से अगर हम देखें तो हमको मिलता है कि AE इक्वल टू व्हाट? AE इक्वल टू CD बाई CPCT. ओके. And this AE is also equal to what? BE, because AE equal to BE because E is the midpoint, so BE. Then we can write कि BE is equal to CD, and by construction BE parallel to CD by construction. So BCDE is a quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides is parallel and equal. So in BCDE, one pair of opposite sides are parallel and equal. And earlier we read a theorem. What is the theorem? Theorem 8.8. What is the statement of this theorem? A quadrilateral is a parallelogram if a pair of opposite sides is equal and parallel. So by theorem 8.8, BCDE is a parallelogram. ओके. तो हमने प्रूफ कर दिया है कि BCDE इज ए पैरेललोग्राम. सो नाउ टेक, सो हम आगे कैसे इसको प्रूव करेंगे जो रिजल्ट है. सो लेट अस प्रूव. So we have proved that BCDE is a parallelogram, and by the property of parallelogram, ED parallel to BC, ED parallel to BC, and this implies that ED parallel to BC implies that EF parallel to BC. This is the first part. तो फर्स्ट पार्ट प्रूफ हो चुका है. अब हमको प्रूफ करना है सेकेंड पार्ट के लिए. सेकेंड पार्ट है EF इक्वल टू हाफ ऑफ BC. देन वी राइट EF इक्वल टू ED इक्वल टू BC. Okay, and we write ED as EF plus DF is equal to BC, and we already proved that the triangle AEF is congruent to triangle CDF. तो यहाँ से अगर हम देखें तो हमको क्या मिलता है कि EF को अगर हम देखें, EF इक्वल टू DF, ये हम रिजल्ट यूज करेंगे। और अगर हम यहाँ रख देते हैं DF की जगह EF, देन वी फाइंड EF प्लस DF की जगह हम रखेंगे EF प्लस EF इक्वल टू BC। तो ये हो गया 2EF इज इक्वल टू BC। तो 2 को इधर ट्रांसपोज कर दें तो हमको रिजल्ट मिल जाता है EF इक्वल टू हाफ ऑफ BC। तो ये दूसरा पार्ट इसका प्रूफ होता है। इसका मतलब है कि कोई ट्रायंगल अगर हमको दिया हुआ है ABC और उसके मिड पॉइंट्स को अगर हम लाइन सेगमेंट से ज्वाइन करते हैं, देन दैट लाइन सेगमेंट इज हाफ एंड पैरेलल टू द थर्ड साइड। तो ये थ्योरम यहाँ से प्रूफ होता है, हेंस प्रूव्ड। ओके, थैंक यू।